What's up, guys? In this video I want to do a journal review recap on this week. I want to go through my journal notion, share with you how I was able to trade during this week, how many trades I took during this week, what were the challenges that I faced trading each particular trade that I executed during this week, what were the positive and negative habit or negative things that I emphasized during this week, what was my habit during this week, how I was able to be consistent, did I did well or not, has it impacted my the way I was trading or not. In this video I want to break everything down, showing with you with transparency my trading journal. And if you have been following me for a while, you know that I've been dropping every Friday and Saturday. I will drop 2 videos. The first video is a journal review recap, share with you how I was able to trade on that particular week. The second video I will do a weekly market breakdown analysis and also a top-down analysis at the end of each instrument that I trade, and give my own prediction, my own top-down analysis on each instrument, how the price action could potentially move the next coming week. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification button to not miss out my next video. See you till Notion. As you know, guys, we are here on my Notion already. This is my dashboard, and you can see I'm minus 2% overall. Overall the year I'm minus 2%, and you can see the quarter 1 I have minus 8%, the quarter 2 I'm plus 6%. Now I have a 25% win rate. I executed 70% of the trade that I executed made my plan, and I took 7 trades that did not make my plan. You can see here I executed 20 trades. Out of that 20, 7 trades didn't make my plan. That means there are some trades that I executed based on emotion. Anticipating, I forcing, breaking my rules, oversizing, revenge trading, over trading, on patient, all these things based on this 7 trade. Yeah, and this is the thing, we will keep doing mistake. The only thing is that I just need to recognize and try to maximize to drastically reduce the number of mistakes that I'm doing. Like now, for me the month is already over, because the month will end on Wednesday. If by next month I can be able to just do 2 mistakes or just 3 instead of doing 7, just doing 3, right? It's good for me. It's a very massive improvement to just be disciplined and reduce the number of mistakes I'm doing. And just imagine this minus 7 hour is something like 10 hour, because I remember there's some trade that I took trade oversized. This minus 7 is plus 10 hour. I'm telling you, if I'm just remove this, I have like over 16 hour now. 16 hour. Just imagine. I just trying to be disciplined, more disciplined, be aware of my emotion, be aware of my decision, and just stay patient and know that it's a long-term game. Probably it's a long-term game. And you can see the month I'm minus 6%. You can see I took 6 trades during this week. If you check, you see the first trade was on Tuesday. Monday I did not trade. There was no trade. There was no opportunity on Monday. On Tuesday I found 2 opportunities, and let's see, this the first opportunity was on USD on Monday, and you can see here I will just go fast, and you can see it was at this time during London session. USD, it was a buy opportunity, LC2 strategy, LC2 FS and FSC anti-model medium time frame. It was a medium probability trade and everything here. It was a nice. I was looking to buy. The reason why I was even looking to buy is because based on this high time frame H4 price tap into this daily demand, you have a massive rejection. For me, I was expecting, as price did not mitigated the opposing supply during the Asian, when price pulled back into this sell to buy weak demand, I was expecting a continuation for the upside to target the supply. Then this is what I was expecting, and price eventually do what? I waited, price just kicked me out. As soon as I executed, I positioned myself, price just stepped me out. Yeah, this was this trade. Yeah, everything was clean. I accept the risk here. I was really nice. Everything was clean. This was the second trade. Very nice. And on gold, we were selling trade. You can see it was during New York session. And there's also something that I have identified, that for the past 2 months, most of the trade that I'm not doing well is during London session. I don't know why. Most of the trade that I'm not doing well is London session. I have a lot of losses during London. Most of my winnings during New York session. I'm thinking about that. Maybe I will take a break tomorrow and review again those trades and see and identify what is the causing of all those losses. Is emotional during that period or something like that, and I will finally identify what is the cause of a lot of losses trading euros, GBP, gold on London session, and I can easily take gold out of my list on during London session and just focus on New York session. Yes, there's something, and you can see everything was here. Everything was clean. Buy, I make 4% here, and you can see everything was clean here. High time frame, medium time frame, everything, each one time frame, nice. I make over 4%. You see, beautiful trade. I'm supposed to target this low, but because you have this strong opposing demand that past even swept some liquidity here, then that's why I just target 4R. It was 4.3R like this, but for me it's 3R. I'm classified as 3R. I could easily target this low, making like let's say 7R. Yeah, 7R like this. From here, 6R. I could make 6R, but just leave it. This was the second trade. The third one on Wednesday. This was the trade. This trade I really trade against my plan. On Wednesday during London. I don't know. London, I'm doing a lot of mistake. I don't know why. You can see everything was clean. Nothing. It wasn't even clean. I didn't even like the way, because I was trading against the high time from objective. I was on patient, invalid entry for me. Past already give me a lot of signs that market will not continue to the upside. Why? Because first of all, this inducement did not call past break below here. This was clear confirmation that past will keep continuing to the downside, and past came back into this buy to sell supply here. When past tap into the pullback to the downside, and you can see this was like inducement. I said I'm supposed to sell, not buy. And during my analysis on that day on London, market told me opposing H4 and H1 supply was mitigated. Then such sell was high probability. But what I did later on, I can't try to convince myself that this was a high probability. No, past has already given me a sign, because one of the sign was that past give me a fake break and a strong liquidation. Past failed to close above this twice after mitigation opposing supply from the left. You have a change of character, and I supposed to normally, once this demand is supposed to fail, this is exactly where I'm supposed to position myself and to sell, making like over 4R, 5R like this on this trade. But I just trying to force myself to buy. Market stop me out. And let's go on the yesterday, Thursday. I just took one trade, gold, very nice trade, and I was really happy about this trade. I was really happy, and I didn't even journal the trade. Really, I didn't journal the trade. How come? I journal the trade. I didn't journal. What the hell? Yes, I didn't journal. Really. I don't understand. Yeah, let's go to the last one. Yeah, it was today. The first trade of today, it was this one. Medium probability. It was also a sell opportunity. Market just gave me a very good entry. Everything was clean, and I positioned myself. You can see order flow was clearly bearish. I know that there was a lot of liquidity, but before me, I was expecting past to push lower to grab liquidity behind this week high on the left before a continuation to the upside. But eventually, market did not give me what I want. Past gave me a fake confirmation that past this supply we need to hold after the mitigation of this supply, H4 supply, targeting this low fake break. Past stop me out straight. And the second one, same thing happened. Past give me a confirmation of time past could potentially move to the downside, and not seeing really happen. Stop me out massively. You can see past just stopped me out straight there. At this point, when past was around here, like 3 minutes after. No, it was 2 minutes after our past executed my position. 2 minutes. The high impact news from Palestine. I don't know. They released a high impact news, and it affected the past just massively move anyhow. Yes, and market stopped me out because it was really crazy. Yeah, guys, this is everything. I end up this week with -1%, because I make 4%, and I end up losing I lost more than what I made. Yes, 1% more. You can see my habit. I wasn't really consistent. And New York session. I'm not really doing New York session analysis. I think I will need to take it out, because I do New York session analysis once I'm at home and I'm not doing anything. I can easily prepare for New York session, but most of the time not. I will just keep following how I did my analysis in the morning during London, because London is very important. Once I did London, I can easily follow with that analysis till the end of the day. This is how I do if I'm outside. And you can see this is my gold. I did not really show up on Monday. Nothing. I wasn't even feeling well. Monday I didn't even sleep well. On Tuesday it was a little bit same. Not nice, but I show up during New York session. Yes, and the remaining day it was clean good. I read today. I did my analysis. Everything was nice. You can see everything was clean here. And to be honest, this week I didn't miss any high probability trade during this week. Nothing. The market was not really nice, because there was even a lot of high impact news. I did not miss any high probability trade. Nothing. Okay, guys, if you like this video, make sure to comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification button to not miss out my next video. If you like this video, comment, like, drop a like, drop what did something, do something. No, why so don't look me like that. Yeah, we are talking about trading. Yeah, guys. See you.